Hello everybody. Our today's topic of class 12 inverse trigonometry. I am discussing one question of NCERT Exemplar. See, the question is cot inverse. Prove that. We have to prove that cot inverse 7 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse 18 is equal to cot inverse 3. This we have to prove. This is the question. Cot inverse 7 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse 18 is equal to cot inverse 3. So LHS I am considering. Of course we are considering LHS here because there is single term in RHS. So how can we solve the single term? So let us take LHS first of all. In LHS the terms are cot inverse 7 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse 18. So there is one complication with cot. So let us consider it in the form of tan. If we are doing it in the form of tan, then what will happen? The digits, these digits become reciprocal. Means it is 7 upon 1, then it will become 1 upon 7. So cot inverse 7 is equal to tan inverse 1 upon 7. Tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus tan inverse 1 upon 8 plus tan inverse 1 upon 18. So it is tough to apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z. So we are applying here formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So you know very well that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This formula I am applying here. So it will become tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 8 upon 1 minus 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 8 plus tan inverse 1 upon 18. What I have done? See here. We are taking here 1 upon 7 as x and 1 upon 8 as y. So it will become tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 8 upon 1 minus 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 8. So on taking LCM, this will become tan inverse 8 plus 7 upon 56. 56 will be LCM, and here it is 56 minus 1 upon 56. So this 56 will be cancelled. It will be tan inverse 8 plus 7 upon 56 minus 1 plus tan inverse 1 upon 18. So now the terms remaining are tan inverse 15 upon 55 plus tan inverse 1 upon 18. Let us cancel these terms. 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Means it is 3 upon 11. It is now 3 upon 11. Now we will have to take these two terms as x and y. And again we are going to apply here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. In place of x there is 3 upon 11. In place of y there is 1 upon 18. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, it will be tan inverse 3 upon 11 plus 1 upon 18 upon 1 minus 3 upon 11 into 1 upon 18. So it will be tan inverse 54 plus 11 upon LCM of 11 and 18, that will be 198. It will be 198, and here in denominator 1 is there, so therefore it is 198 minus 3 upon 198. So this 198 and 198 will be cancelled. So it will be tan inverse 65 upon 195. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 and 5 9s are 45. 13 1s are 13 and 13 3s are 39. So it will be tan inverse 1 by 3. Tan inverse 1 by 3 means what? It is cot inverse 3. Tan inverse 1 by 3 means it is reciprocal of 3. So when we are converting this tan inverse into cot inverse, then it will become the reciprocal. If it is 1 by 3, then it will become cot inverse 3. This is only our RHS and this only we need to prove. So it is proved here, hence proved. Here I am going to conclude. It is very important question by the JEE point of view also, and it is important for 12th syllabus of course. Do subscribe the channel and get the knowledge about further knowledge about inverse trigonometry and other topics.